Hello everyone, welcome to Suman's Academy. Today we are going to learn first unit of our English book. Before beginning, let me ask you some questions. What do you see in this picture? We see that one family is going to have their dinner. What is the mother doing? She is arranging food in the table. What is the child doing? The child is trying to pull the tablecloth. What do you see in the next picture? The child has been fallen along with the dishes and the tablecloth. A person who doesn't sit still and keeps on moving around and touching things are called as fidgety. A person who is not at all sitting straight and doing movement are called as fidgety. So today we are going to learn the story of Fidgety Philip, written by the poet Heinrich Hoffmann. Let me see if Philip can be a little gentleman. Philip is the name of a child and the poet says that let me see if Philip can become a gentleman. Gentleman is a person who is quiet, polite and well-mannered. Gentle plus man, well-behaved. Let me see if he is able to sit still for once at table. Again, the poet says that let me see if he sit still. Still means a person who sits straight without any movement for at least once at table. Thus, Papa bade Phil behave and Mama looked very grave. Papa told Philip behave yourself and Mama was looking very seriously at him. But Fidgety Phil, he won't sit still. But this naughty child, he was not at all sitting still, means not at all sitting without any movement. He wriggles and giggles. He was doing twist and turn and he was laughing silently with doing repeatedly mistake. And then I declare swings backwards and forward, and then the poet declares that he was swinging backwards and forward, going back and coming front, and tilts up his chair, means he was lifting up his chair just like any rocking horse. You have seen how a rocking horse does, same thing he was doing with his chair. Philip, I am getting cross. See the naughty restless child growing still more rude and wild. His father said, Phillips, I am getting very angry. See this naughty restless child. You are very naughty and you are doing nothing and you are growing still more rude. Rude means a person who is violent and wild means a person who is uncontrolled. Till his chair falls over quite. Till his chair falls down, he was doing the same mistake. Philip screams with all his might, catches at the cloth, but then that makes matter worse again. When he was falling down, he was trying to prevent himself by catching the tablecloth. But the thing became more worse again because he fall down along with the tablecloth and all the dishes. The next part of this poem I will explain you in my upcoming video. Till that, keep watching, sharing and yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel.